Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Thysia and you're tuned into VIO with Thysiamore. So today I'm super excited, and I promised you guys 3 weeks ago that I will be sharing my update on my STC30 for my hair and my skin. Well, that is what today's video is all about. I am so excited guys because I'm about to share with you guys the bomb. You guys know. So I've been taking this product for like 3 weeks now. I do have a product that where I reviewed the product from start to finish. I will leave that up here in the card section so you guys can check that out. Also, I made another video where I talked about if the product works for menstrual cramp or not. I will leave that link up here again so you guys can check out the video. It's so amazing what this product is doing, and it's just like 15 sachets in one pack. Over here, you guys just check out the video. It has all the information that you want. Well, today's video we're going to be looking at the tremendous growth of my hair and the fading of my dark spots on my skin, which is so amazing. I mean, this product is like a holy grail. It is a holy grail. I'm telling you guys, it does so much, and it's just like killing 100 or 1,000 birds with 15 stones, because here you have 15 sachets in one pack, and 15 sachets goes a long way. Yeah, so you guys can see from this video compared to my previous video that my skin is glowing, my skin is brighter, and of course my spots are fading now. Well, thanks to this amazing product right here, SUPERLIFE STC30. I am so amazed at what this product does, you guys. Of course, I'm going to be leaving a video on how my hair and skin was before I started using the product. I will be leaving that video right here so you guys can see. And yeah, so that's what my hair looked like, and today you guys see for yourself that my edges are booming. Like, it has been so fast in growth over the last 3 weeks. You guys can see how wonderful we're doing out here. I'm so excited. I'm just going to come closer for you guys to see. You guys see it's even adding length compared to the video I just showed you guys. So this is what, and of course my skin, you guys can see from this video that my spots are fading out so well, and I'm so in love with my skin right now because the growth is so much. By the way, let me show you what this product looks like, you know. So this is what the product looks like. This is SUPERLIFE STC30. This is one sachet, and it has 15 of these in one pack. Unfortunately, I do not have the pack to show you right here, but you can check out my other videos to see what the pack looks like. By the way, forgive my edges. I know I didn't lay them because I wanted you guys to see what my edges look like real without having to lay my baby hair and stuff. Also, I do have a wonderful video featuring Key Beauty on how we made this hair. This is like 2 weeks of the hair right now, and look at it's still neat. It's still so clean. Like, That's to show you how well the hair was made. So all information to this hair will be right here. You guys check that out in the card section. And yeah, so this is what the product looks like. This is what I have been taking for the last month, and I've completed one pack, and just with one pack, this is a tremendous growth. I mean, I've experienced so much changes all over my body, entirely in my system, and some little you know, things I've been battling. I've been seeing progress since I started taking the product. And oh guys, I encourage you to get the product. Okay, just get it. I mean, get it, just get it. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link in the description if you'd like to get the product at a discount rate and original. I'm going to leave a link so you guys can check that out. Also, I will leave the website link in the description on this video so you guys can check that out to see the wonderful diseases, illnesses, and what have you that this product cures. And also, I will leave a WhatsApp link right in the description as well if you'd like to join thousands of people who are, you know, out to, you know, make a lot of cash from this. You can join the WhatsApp link and see what this product is all about, so you don't feel you're being scammed or whatsoever. I mean, a lot of people think that, but so that's what the WhatsApp link is going to do for you. You know, it's going to help you associate with other people and see what other people are doing, you know, to make money off this, which is really exciting, right? Really exciting. Yeah, also, if you'd like to know the ingredients used in making this delightful product, which is amazing, out of this world, also check the link in the description. It will show you everything. I mean, literally everything that you need to know. You can still check out my video to, you know, hear what I still said about the product. Also, if you're confused, and you can leave me comments in the comment section, ask me questions, and I will answer them. Of course, I have to. Yeah, so yeah, this video was meant to be short, by the way, and I'm super excited. I spent some time out here. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. My name is Thysia. You're welcome to BIO Thysiamore. On this channel, I talk about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, a little bit of vlog, and yeah, sounds like content that you like to see on YouTube. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, I have a lot of content coming up in the future for you guys, so you guys like and share, you know, keep us in the game, you know, just support this channel so we could grow together, you know, and have a community right here on YouTube. And yeah, I will leave my Instagram link in the description below or on the video, so you guys can check me out on Instagram. Follow me, DM me, let's talk, let's interact, let's get to be friends. Okay, so that brings me to the end of this video, you guys. Yeah, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Like I said, yeah, that's just about it. I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye. My name is Thysiamore, and I'm the creative director of Thysiamore Empire.